Welcome guys, today I will show you how to change fingerprint animation on Motorola Edge 70. So, tap and hold on free space on the main screen for a while, then at the bottom you will find Personalize part. Tap on it, then scroll at the bottom and here choose fingerprint animation. You can choose between 3 different types like Radial Waves, you can see preview here at the bottom, or Boomerang, it will look like here, or Chroma Dial. So choose which you want, and that's it. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe our channel, leave some comment below, and see you in the next videos. Bye!